pink hair is calling. So if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know that pink hair is trending heavily right now because of the Barbie trend. Oh, wow, I absolutely love the way that color came out. It's like a really pretty rose gold, and of course she already had a beautiful pixie cut. Very nice transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Now if you guys have been on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're looking to do some major hair changes, I hope that today's video does inspire you to make a move and do something different with your hair. So here we have someone who decided to go pixie, followed by a color change. Beautiful, bright blonde makeover. So pretty. She did cut just a little bit of her hair off as well, doing more of like a mid-length cut or shorter mid-length cut. And then we have someone here who decided to go blonde. Now the blonde hair color trend is a nice in-between shade of being a brunette and a blonde. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. Her makeup and everything, she looks phenomenal. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a gorgeous pixie makeover. Beautiful spiky texture with this hair change. And then we see someone with long, wavy, curly hair. And she shakes things up with this fun colored money piece highlight look. Beautiful mix of purple and blue. So cute. Next up, we see a bob haircut being done. So it looks like he ended up doing a very dramatic pixie bob haircut or mini bob variation. This is so cute, very fashion forward. And it features so much volume. Absolutely beautiful. I love how this frames her jawline perfectly. Very nice. And then we move into something very bold, and that includes a red hair color touch-up. Now, as you guys know, shades of red are very popular this season. We're seeing many different variations from slightly red, maroon, burgundies, to brighter colors with the cherry and the bright red color combos. So many ways you can play around with red if that is a color that you are interested in getting. Beautiful, and she has this gorgeous head full of thick hair. And the stylist does a nice shoulder length tousled bob look. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas and you were able to gain some inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.